It's over there on the left. What's that?
What town are we in?
South of Yates City. That's Yates City to our left.
Careful, people on the road here.
We're good if we can get a mile and a half east. How's your road? Feel good?
It's okay for now.
Okay. Keep going.
Ready.
We're actually fine on the southwest side.
Okay.
Alright, just take a mile.
Take pictures here. Here.
Alright, just only about a mile.
Take the left.
Careful getting muddy up here.
Oh, you're alright.
Oh, shit.
Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah, we're just like,
What's that? Something weird?
exactly. What is it? It's like, it's all like,
No, no, that's fine. You don't take a picture through that.
I know, just
Okay, we got pavement right up here. I think it's not gravel. It'll turn pavement in about a mile up here. Careful the left. Careful the left. Can't see. You're clear to the right. Oh man, that's a pretty violent tornado right there. Shoot, that is a pretty violent tornado. Oh, that's not good at all.
look at the hugging. It's hugging though.
Oh, careful, careful, careful.
Sand.
You're gonna get pavement up here.
Okay, good.
Just gotta get there.
I hate flying pills.
Ooh, sidewind, and look it over there. It's snaking everywhere. Oh, snaking. Big time. Oh man, that's a violent tornado. And it's really close.
Oh, shoot. Hang on. Oh, mud.
Slippery, slippery, slippery. Roping out, looks like. Holy smoke, that's about a mile north. Let's see here, what should we do? Maybe we should head south?
We have paved in front of us.
Southwest Edison, where we play.
Yeah, but we might have to jog south here. Oh, I hate to lose. Ooh, man, that's close. Ooh,
Oh,
power.
power plant.
Keep going out, keep going east.
Okay, clear?
Clear the right. Got a bunch of people up here.
Still on the ground, there were power flashes under there.
Yep.
Copy that, we saw it. Trying to jog east here. Oh my goodness, look at that, look at that. Oh my goodness.
Yep.
No, I think it's the same one, it's just rode back around it.
Multi-vortex?
No, it just...
Yeah, look at it. Look at the merry-go-round around. That's
All right, keep an eye on the left there. We will definitely have to turn right up here eventually. So
Okay.
the road just kind of...
It's still yellow as far as I can see here.
sick. I feel like I'm not looking.
I got it on infinity. Let me see it.
That's gonna. Look at the merry-go-round.
Yeah, that's just because you're moving us. We're dark.
Hey guys, if you were to look at the whole wall